Hello, welcome to Hey Ho Let's Tours Little Electrical Problems channel. As you keen subscribers and watchers of the channel will know, that we've had all sorts of issues with the battery connections in the belly discovery we've got. When we leave the caravan alone for a couple of weeks, the battery's connected, it's just slowly drains the power away, so we've got to take the battery out every so often to recharge it. The problem is every time we take the battery out, we've got these clips, these quick release clips, they fall off, causes all sorts of stress and pain, having to reconnect it all, don't work properly. But we were going to get a guy in professionally to fit them once and for all. We're still pondering whether we're going to do that. But he did a good job last time on the other caravan. But I found these other clips on Amazon, and I'm going to try and fit these because I seem be able to hold the cable tighter. And if they fit right, I can use these instead of the quick release clips. And Bob's your uncle. Let's see if it works. So these are the quick release clips. What these do is that the cables go, because we've got two thick cables that go into there, and you screw something tight onto it and it holds it in place. That's the theory behind it all. And these are the quick release clips we already have. As you can tell, they're falling off. But you got to pick those two thick cables in there, then screw it tight in. No matter how tight you do it, they just slide out of there. It's just two cables, and they're just too thick for it. So I thought if we try these ones, which look a little bit more robust, if we can get them to fit in the battery compartment, which is always a bit of a squeeze, we might have a better solution here. Now, because I'm pretty useless and nobody likes watching me screw things in, I have already done one, took one off and put this one on, and it's much tighter and it seems to fit. And I'll see if I can do the other side. I'll need to collect that other new clip onto that wire, see if it works. Now they're connected on there, and that's the clips is really tight on there, so hopefully in theory that should clip on better and not slide off. Right, so I've put those new clips on. They seem to be quite tight on the cable so they don't come off. So hopefully if I put this away, they should work. Quick double check when I press the battery button. Where am I going? There we go. Press the battery button. So the battery's fully topped up at the moment. And I press the power on and the light behind me goes on. So it's all connected. All fits away snugly. And let's see how that goes. And there's the old ones. Just I say, they just, because we've got two big thick cables, no matter how tight you fasten this bit, the cables just pop out without any sort of pressure or movement. So no good. They're quite handy to clip on and off, and those ones, the other ones are quite quick release. You just unscrew a little screw on the side and you can lift the battery out. We'll see how that goes. So that seems to be a lot more secure, holding the cable in place. The only thing that troubles me slightly is that the quick release ones I've got like a plastic cover sheath, and the wires look a little bit more sort of exposed on the other one. But the wires were becoming exposed on the other quick releases anyway, because they were popping off half the time. So they were just laying loose in the battery compartment. They came from Amazon. They were £7, bargain, worth trying for £7. If they don't work or become problematic, we'll get our caravan electrician guy that fitted the videos on our Explore 304. He did a really good job. He said if he does it, they'll never come loose again. So, but it's going to cost us about 80-90 quid to do that. So, but we'll see. I'll put a link to the video for that as well in below or somewhere flying around. So let's see how the battery saga goes and continues now. Thank you for watching Hey Ho Let's Rewire a Battery, and we'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching, check out other videos, and bye!